Putting on the Ritz. Unraveling the Glamour in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's danced its way through English-speaking cultures for nearly a century. To put on the Ritz. This expression is all about luxury, elegance, and high society, but where did it come from? And how do we use it today? Stick around as we explore the glamorous world behind this phrase, perfect for English language learners looking to polish their idiomatic expressions. To put on the Ritz is a phrase that means to dress very fashionably or to live in a very luxurious way. But where does this expression come from? It's named after the Ritz Hotel, a symbol of opulence and high society. The phrase was popularized by Irving Berlin's song in 1929, which depicted the lavish lifestyle associated with the hotel. When you use this expression, you're tapping into a century-old tradition of elegance and sophistication. Using "to put on the Ritz" in conversation or writing adds a touch of class to your language. It can describe anything from dressing up for a special occasion to embellishing an event with luxurious details. Here are a few examples. For their anniversary, they decided to put on the Ritz, booking a table at the city's most upscale restaurant. Seeing everyone putting on the Ritz at the gala made her feel like she had stepped into an old Hollywood movie. Remember, it's all about conveying a sense of luxury and high living. This phrase isn't just a linguistic relic. It's a cultural phenomenon. Putting on the Ritz has appeared in films, songs, and literature, evolving with the times while retaining its core meaning. Its endurance highlights our ongoing fascination with the lifestyles of the rich and famous, making it a timeless addition to the English language. And there you have it, a brief journey into the luxurious world of putting on the Ritz. This phrase opens a window into the opulent lifestyles of the past while offering a playful way to describe modern-day elegance. Whether you're talking about a lavish party or simply dressing up for a night out, knowing how to use this expression will certainly add a sparkle to your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English idioms. See you in the next one.